Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the PZ Fibonacci Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool helps you automatically plot Fibonacci retracement and extension levels on your charts so you can visually analyze potential support, resistance and reaction zones in trending and corrective markets. At this point I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, you want to allow the LL imports, and there we have it. You can see how it looks on the chart. The PZ Fibonacci indicator plots Fibonacci retracement and extension levels directly on the main price chart, typically as horizontal lines at key percentages derived from recent swings. These lines are drawn from significant highs to lows or vice versa, creating a ladder of levels such as 38.2, 50%, and 61.8% that price may react to as it moves. The indicator highlights these levels as potential support and resistance zones where price can pause, reverse, or accelerate, giving traders a structured framework to interpret pullbacks and continuations within a trend. In practice, the plotted levels visually segment market swings so you can see where buyers or sellers might step back in based on historical Fibonacci proportions. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. So for the inputs, we basically just have the fib line color. You can change that, the fib line style, and then the fib line width as well. So we can change all of that. And we can trade on our preferred time frames as well, or we can exit on our preferred time frames rather. So what's the indicator for? This indicator is aimed at traders who would like to analyze pullbacks, trend continuations, and reaction zones using Fibonacci-based support and resistance, whether they trade intraday or higher time frames. It is a visual analytical tool only and does not execute trades or guarantee that price will react at any specific level, so it should be combined with additional confirmation such as price action, trend context, or other indicators. In choppy or low liquidity conditions, Fibonacci levels may be frequently crossed without meaningful reactions, which can reduce their usefulness. The download links are in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more tools and educational resources. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. I'll see you in the next one.